You know, the cool thing about getting into the blackjack world is seeing so many different players out there. And I do love the fact that you guys out there send me some new ones. And this one I actually found out because I do scour. And I don't like to stay on one too long, obviously because of the frequency of their upload. I want to give them some time and some space. But this one, I found this one about a week ago, and I thought today would be a fun one. His name is Brandon O'Brien, and we are going to go have some fun with him playing some high-limit blackjack. I believe we're in Las Vegas, and I think we're at the Pepper Mill in Reno, Nevada. We're going to hop right in with his session. Like always, you guys, go over to Brandon's channel, and like and subscribe, and we'll hop right into it. What are the table limits? Brandon Bryan is his name.
This is reserved for somebody who has it.
And we were at the Pepper Mill in Reno, Nevada. We'll see.
What's his limit? Quarter game, 2,000? 2,000 and counting. Okay. It's 25 to 2,000. Okay. That's what it's going to be.
All right. Blackjack, obviously, and I don't know if dealer hits or stays on 17
And how would you like it, sir?
or soft 17.
Just give me 500 in green. You give me a couple of purples and hundreds.
That's a big band right there. That looks like a $5,000 or $10,000 band. I could be wrong.
All right, thanks for being here. We're going to have 1,000 in purples, 1,000 in the black chips, $100 chips, and then 500 in the greens.
So would that be a $3,000 buy-in?
Awesome. All right, and here we go with the $500 first hand. $500 first hand. $500. Let's get a better look at that. There you go. $500.
The good old Pepper Mill. Man, that sucker's been around for a long time.
$500 first hand.
Yo, I do recommend going to Pepper Mill. It's a fun casino, you guys.
All right.
I've been there many times. It's really cool. You know how I feel about the first hand.
Let's rebet that.
I know exactly, huh?
Pretend that didn't happen.
Get it back here.
14? 19, maybe. There we go.
Nice.
All right, let's try this again.
Shakes,
$500
like
third hand.
Moving.
Steak?
No. Ugh.
Let's go 700.
That is a lose-lose situation.
16. Gotta take one. Let's go 800. Wow. So we're down 2,000 just like that. Here's 500. No insurance. No insurance.
Man, right now I'd be taking it.
You know what? I'm just going to take a hit. I was going to double. We'll just take a hit.
All right.
Smart move. Very smart move. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Wow. There you go.
3,000 gone in 3 minutes. Or less, maybe 2. Oh, my gosh.
So we're in for 2,500. Now we're in for 4,000.
Okay, there we go. Okay, God.
Just black.
Do you guys remember that scene from Vegas Vacation where he goes to the really crappy casino and he's trying everything and he plays rock, paper, scissors, loss, or war, and it was like 20. Gosh.
We're going to double. It doesn't matter. Up's fine. Uh-oh. Wow. These cards are 500 on the bet here. 18. This is really bad.
He said one hand that he might have won.
Whew. Let's do 2 in a row. Okay, 18. 1,000 on the bet. Oh, they say don't split fours. They say don't split fours.
What about a double?
There we go.
I would have doubled it.
Played that one right. That would have been disaster.
No, I agree, but I would have doubled it.
All right,
Let me know.
500
Let me
on
know
that.
what you guys think on that hand on the 2 fours. I would have doubled it.
There we go.
Dude, you
All right, we'll go 1,000.
can't make this
Two
stuff
$500
up, man.
chips. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Got it.
Figures high.
Another $1,000 double. We can't seem to win these. We have 500 behind. We got to buy in for another 5, so we're in for 4,500. All right, so we got 2,000 down there. You can go face up, please. 10.
He needed that.
Can't believe it. All right, that was a good one. That was a good one. 500 on the bet. There we go. Good there. No ace. There we go. Keep it out there. Now we're gonna have to work. 15, 18. Big one. Yep. All right, good. Leave it out there. 19, okay, show an 8. There we go, 18. 16. I will let that one slide. Okay. Here we go, $1,000. Face up, please.
Double down, deluxe.
I can't get a 10.
Ugh.
I just can't get a 10.
See,
There
I'd
you go,
like to
$1,000.
see him switch it up and do 2 hands.
7. 15. There it is. There he is. Woo. All right, give me 1 second. I got to see what's going on here. Got to do some money management here.
Take your time.
So what do we got here? So that's 100. So we got 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 45. We have 5,000. All right, we'll go 200. Hey, I got a 10. There we go. Keep it out there, 200. 14. 19, okay. Hey, we're getting cards now. We'll go 300. 14. And we'll double 600. 600. Ace. Nine's okay. Just flip it over now. All right, we'll take that. Whew, I will take that. Ace. I think you can bust. 12. 13. Ah. All right, we'll go 1,000. Okay, I got to do voiceover now because there's music in the background and YouTube flagged it. We've got an 11 on a $1,000 bet with a 9 showing. This is a $2,000 hand. Face down. 12 for the dealer. 16 and a bust. Yes, huge hand.
He needed that one.
$4,000 swing there. 2,000 on the win. We needed that one. I mean, anytime they're that large, you always need them. The bets are still massive here. 18 on a 4. Can't get anything going.
Man, Mr. Handpay, if you guys haven't seen
Still
it
big
already,
bets.
I uploaded it earlier today, but that session was awesome. I highly recommend it.
We want a small one.
He goes
here.
on a $70,000
So we get an 18.
swing.
Is it good? All right, good.
He buys in for a total of 50, and then finally
win there, or
manages to
700?
get up to 70. Oh,
Very good.
it was crazy.
All right, blackjack. No. Okay, no blackjack for the dealer. We have 13, 16, and a bust. See, instead of a mirror, they have a light there. So if the light turns red, there's a blackjack. If it doesn't, it's any other card but a face card or a 10. 17 for the dealer, we lose that one. So instead of the mirror...
Also, I want to know
It's
what
a
you guys
sensor.
think about
It
hitting those
sees what the
twos
cards are.
against like a 3 or a 4 or a 2.
Bets are big here. 16 on another dealer 10. Okay, we got a 17. We're still in it. And a bust. There it is. Okay. Okay, we're breaking it down now. We won that big hand. We're going to get 10 black $100 chips. So we're not betting 500s every hand. So we brought it back down a little bit. Okay, we got a 6 against a dealer 10. 16. 18. We're still in it. Okay, we take that. We take it. All right. Ace and a 3 against an ace. No insurance, obviously, here. Dealer's going to check. See, the light turned green. No blackjack. Oh, look at all these aces coming out. Are you kidding me? And we have a 16. And we're going to take another hit. Okay, we have an 18.
Big one.
Hey.
Nice.
Brandon, can I get you to get your phone, put it in your pocket? This guy just called. They get real freaky.
It's okay. 15. Sorry. Some in for 45 cash, right?
Because nobody else is playing except for you.
All right, we'll go 600. 10. I need a little one. That works. 18. That's awesome. I'll take black if you want. Yeah. Thank you. Eight. 17.
21.
We'll go 300.
That's brutal.
So
I'm
much for
getting
those
better like
$25 chips.
counting the cards. Like, I
Bad
really
a
am.
long time ago.
And when I mean counting, like adding them up.
Wishful thinking. All right, we'll go 600 here. Ace, please. Never. All right, need a little one. I'll go 700. Ace. Never the ace. I'm supposed to hit that. Okay, either way.
Yep, either way.
23, you're supposed to hit 2 on a 3.
That's what I thought.
There we go. All right, 17. No good. Go 400. 10. Ooh. Okay.
Good luck.
We need to get some change.
Check change 5 blackout.
Thank you. Face up.
All right, good luck.
Uh-oh.
No.
Big. Oh.
Oh, man. Look at that.
That was doomed after she brought in that 2.
All right,
Absolutely
we'll go 700 on one.
doomed. That was just disgusting.
11. Here we go again.
Absolutely
I need some change, please.
disgusting.
So $1,400 double down here. Face up. $700 double down face up. 20's good. Yes. There we go. 1,400 there. Nice.
Needed that one.
Nice. We'll go 400 on a bet. Uh-oh. 5. We'll go 600 on the bet. Try 300 on 2. Stay on both. 10-10. Right, 800 one hand.
I am happy that he split it up. That was good.
Yes. Whew.
Seems to be the lucky bet for him right
I
now.
love it when a 20 holds up. 300 on a bet. Okay. 3 pays 450.
Should have left it.
Unless.
Should have
you
left
didn't do
it.
that to me.
What did I just say?
All right, we do have green action. Let them know. Green action. 150 on the bet. And we're going to double just because it's 150.
Did he tip the dealer?
Face up's fine. Yeah. Woo. Dumb bet of the week. That was dumb bet of the week.
Does it bother you if I walk?
No, not at all. 12. 350 on the bet here. 14. Big. All right, we'll do 600 one hand. And an ace. Never get the ace. Never get the ace.
You did a little while ago and you
Nice hit.
moved your bet down.
$600 win.
But hey,
We'll keep the 5 out there. Last hand of the shoe. All right, cool. Come on, ace for... Oh, they're going to send me out the door with an ace. All right, send me out the door with an 8. Okay, 18. That's good. A $500 win at the end. All right, that's the end of the session. And I believe on this session, I bought in for $4,500 on this shoe. On this shoe, right?
I thought he added another 5 for that double, but I could be wrong.
For 500, 500. Oh, this shoe.
On this shoe, it's like 45. Yeah.
But all together, it's
Yeah. So what we'll do is, I think it was 45, but I'll watch the video back and I'll put the totals on the bottom. But I can tell you what we have left here. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,000, 7,500, and that is for you.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much. Appreciate that.
And we'll see you next time with
Wow,
another.
I was not expecting that. I thought he was full on in down like 1,000, but those doubles really helped him out. I think he did okay. I think the dealer just was an absolute monster right there, and I'm not talking like personally. Just goodness gracious, those. Oh man, I don't know if there's a lot he could do. I did like that he moved his hands around, and he did. He went to 2 hands. I think that's always a good thing, and. Yeah, I don't know. We're not all perfect. Here's the thing at the end. We're not perfect. We want to play by the book, but there's some things that we can do instinctively that might not be by the book, but that helps us out. NG Slot does a really good job with that, by the way. I do recommend watching him, but this was a fun one. You guys, till next time, tomorrow, we'll get you 2 more. See ya.